Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how to design a speed of internet chart. Here you can see that how does the internet provider manipulate the speed of internet, and they are always try to scamming with the consumers. So hereby you can see the motherboard quantity and the speed of MP means motherboard like in bytes. So hereby you are connected with your connection is connected with the motherboard, and every motherboard has 8, 16 and 32 ports, 32 sub ports, which is include or which is divided with the total power of the motherboard frequency of internet. Like if the motherboard is having 10 mbps speed, then the 8 port is divided under the 1.2, sorry, the 2 bytes, 2 mbps means divided by 8. So 1.24 mbps speed. So hereby I'm just significantly identifying the port of motherboard, and here you will give the quantity as random. I have just taken the value for understanding purpose, and some algorithmic or mathematical terms I have used here. That's how you can understand the quantity and the divide and rules option, that how to divide the total length of speed of internet. So hereby you can see I have just selected the port 8, 10, 8, 10 like this. So if the total amount of speed is 10 mbps, if I divided it into 8 ports, it will come to us 1.24 mbps speed. That means when you get the actual volume of 1.24 mbps speed, it means around you can download, your download speed will comes under the multiplication of 8, like 1.24 into 8 means 8 bytes into 1 bits. So we are getting the bits value of the internet speed like 1.24 megabits, and when it converted it into bytes, then we need to multiply it with 8, like 1.24 into 8. So it will average 10 mbps speed, download speed you will get, means per second you can download 10 mbps up to. So here is the main scamming is going on in this provider and the consumer. So they are giving us the 1 mbps speed, but it's not coming the actual value of 1 mbps speed cause of their scamming, because they are showing you have get the download speed is 1 mbps, but you will get you should get the up to 10 mbps speed, but they are providing you only 1 mbps speed. Means how much the difference you can understand now. And these times I am facing also these types of problem and scamming, but we can't solve this issue because of the understanding of other peoples. So that's why I have just check out the things and calculate and give you the information, because you can understand the scamming and you will charge them if you have the strong power. So that's why I have just shown, and here is the it's comes under the tutorial purpose, and you can use this chart also for the calculation, that if you change the port quantity, and it will give you the different result for the different four columns. So that's why I have just used this mathematical operation, because of if you change the value of one column and it will convert it into others columns value, so you do not need to re-enroll the value manually, it will change by its own. So this is really very fascinating or really very important to learn about the algorithm and mathematical terms inside the Excel. So these types of data manipulation system is very important, and sometimes we need to failure for the logic, but sometimes we get some more knowledge after some wrong value or wrong information. So hereby you can think that this calculation is not working, but this is not right. I have just changed the syntax and now it will run. Hereby you can see, yeah, it's running. So this is the things I have made, and now I will take the four columns like speed of MP, speed of CP. CP means the child port, and the frequency and hertz. Every time your internet speed comes under the 50 megahertz, 50 to 60 megahertz, when it goes down to under the 50, like its speed is 40, then you will not get the actual speed because of the frequency level is down. And sometimes your mbps, like you are getting the 3.4 mbps speed, but it's not give us the actual downloading speed. So then you can think the frequency or bandwidth. So normally the provider use the terms of bandwidth, which is called the frequency. So when the frequency is goes down, then the bandwidth means the same things, the bandwidth will not work. So hereby I have just use the chart, like which is comes under the landscape point. So because of the landscape you can easily understand the rating of the internet speed. So hereby you can see now these types of chart I have already prepared for you in my previous 10 to 12 videos, and you will get more information about the chart, maybe or may not be, if I do something new about the Excel documentation, which is comes under the algorithm part, and the mathematical information I will share with you, that how to design the function, mathematics and the tree, every types of things I will give you the information. Hereby I have just checked out the single chart and single table for the value or column. So next, from the next video I will try to give you some information about the two table manipulation or the two multiple table result and how to combine it with each other. So I will give you some more information about the transform the chart value from one to another. So this will very important for the live project and live documentation, so this will recommended. So thanks for watching my video, and welcome again to you my next video if you have already seen till the last, and thanks for your watching. I'm really very thankful to your view and hope you guys learn something new, and this video is more perfectly for you. Any other confusion about the chart designing or any other confusion about the algorithm or mathematical terms, you can ask me. I will give you the personally give you or send you the information that you will be helpful for your work.